So hello future coders. Now we are going to discuss linear regressions with respect to salary dataset. So as we know that linear regressions work with two variable functions. So salary is depending on year of experience and linear regressions is a linear model. Example, salary and year of experience. So now the one variable input variable is year of experience and the output variable is salary. So now we are going to train our model for the year of experience versus salary. Okay, so first we have to import some library like import numpy as np, import pandas as pd, import seaborn as sns. अब from functions to कॉल करेंगे sklearn dot from sklearn मैट्रिक्स इंपोर्ट करते हैं यहाँ से अंडरस्कोर स्क्वायर अंडरस्कोर एरर r2 underscore score. Okay, so then we have to install one more library from matplot lib import piplot as plt. Okay, so now we have to check all the libraries installed perfectly. Yes, now we have to call our data. Just read from the data first. Data is equal, you assign any variable, but we are assigned with data. We assign as dataset is equals to you can use as any variable like data, d, any variables. So call pandas pd dot read underscore csv, and the parenthesis we have to call salary underscore dataset dot csv, the name dataset. So this is our data. Okay, so this is our dataset. So salary is depending on year experience and salary. So year experience is as a x and salary is a y. Year experience is our input variable and our output variable is salary. Independent variable is year experience and our target variable is salary. Okay, so first we have understand what we have data. First we have understood which kind of data we have. Okay, so just ask dataset dot info. So this is the dataset info. You can use braces for the clear informations. So we have 0 unnamed, year experience and salary. So unnamed is not for our work. It is not important, very important function. So we are erase it, and the most important functions for us for prediction salary is year experience. So just learn more about data dot describe data is not defined. Okay, so data set we are used as a data set. So this is the count, this is the mean, this is the standard deviations, minimum quartile range, 50%, 75%, and maximum. Okay, this is our quartile range. So before you train your models, you have to know everything about your models. So first you read what is the column name, what is the how many rows in your model. Just like here we have total number is 29. Okay, so this is also you have 0 to 29 is 30 anti-total, 0 to 29. So first understand what is the types of data. So data types is a float value, somewhere integers value. Okay, you have to plot a visualizations plot of your data. So call sns for library seaborn. So we have to call scatter plot and data set. Okay, data plot. So this is our graph, this is our visualization. So here we are clearly seen that the relation is very clear. The year experience is directly proportional to the salary package, where the year experience is 15 year and the salary is above 60,000. If the experience is 30 year, so the salary is 1,20,000. So year experience is directly proportional to, because we are creating a line over there. Okay, so linear regressions relations यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रहा है. Here we have our linear regressions y equals to mx plus c. So after the visualize our data, so train your model for the run. Okay, so just assign the variable x is equals to x dot dataset dot, we have to call x data, x year of experience, where x is the year of experience. So 1 minus 1. So I will explain you what is a 1. So we have to call first year experience from 1 means from here we need all the rows. That's why we have the limit, given the limit of rows is from starting to end, but we need only 1 to minus 1. So 1 to minus 1 is 1 to minus 1 is only this one, air experience. Take a 0 1 and this is the minus 1. So we have to call only air experience. So here we have, then as same as you have to call for y also, x for the air experience and y for salary. So y is equals to dataset dot ilog. Here we are calling all the rows but only minus one column, like this one column, salary column. Okay, so y assigned for salary column and x assigned for air of experience. Okay, so after that we have to sklearn dot model selection import train underscore test split. Okay, it's a correct. Just show what is the error. Import train test split. So from sklearn, so you have to write just space between the sklearn, and now it is run. Yes, it's completely run. So after the commanding, you have to assign the values. X is x underscore train comma x underscore test, x train x test comma y train comma y test y test. Okay, is equals to train test split. Okay, then define the values x comma y comma test underscore size is equals to 0.2. So I told the models from all the value you have only take 0.20% data for testing and 80% data for learning train. Okay, so we have to assign a variable which is name is random underscore state. Assign any values over here to call. Yes, it's correct. Now we have to, next step is just train our data model. We have to predict our data y underscore predict. You can give any name over for variable model dot predict. Predict is a function which is perform x test underscore test. Okay, so now you just check the accuracy. First check it is correct. Yes, now you have to check accuracy of the model. Accuracy is equals to r2 underscore score y test y underscore predict. Okay, into 100. This is the formula for accuracy. So now we call accuracy. If the accuracy of the model is above 90%, that means it's a good model. So the accuracy of our model is 94.008. That means it is a good model. So now the timing for check the model is correct or not. So model dot predict. Here we have to give, because we have only two columns, that's why it is a 2 dimensions array. So we use 2D array and give some values 4. So if we have the experience of 4 here, so our salary is 62,445. Okay, and if we have the experience of 6 years, the salary is become 81,445. 55. Okay, if the experience is 8 years, so the salary is 1,465. Okay, so I hope you understand. This is a linear regressions model. Okay, thank you so much for watching. So please do like, share and subscribe if you learn about this model.